is the Aesop fable called Belling the Cat. There was once a community of mice who lived behind the walls of a modest house. Still, every night they were able to gather sweet bits and crumbs from the countertops and cupboards and shelves in the kitchen, and from under the table in the dining room. Now the family had a cat, but she was old and slow and much preferred to stay curled up by the cozy fire rather than chasing mice. And then one day, the old cat died, and the family got a new cat, young and fierce, fast and clever. From that day on, it seemed that most every night a mouse or two would disappear, victims that fell before the new cat's sharp claws and teeth. So one night, the mice came together. They called a meeting to see if they couldn't figure out a way to protect themselves from this monster. Many ideas were brought up. Well, would it be safer if we traveled in pairs? What if we posted a lookout? I think we should steal her food and starve her to death. What if we could lure her into the bathtub and drown her? And then a very young mouse stood up. It seems to me, he said, that our problem is that this cat is so fast and clever that she can sneak up on us. We never have any warning about where she is or when she's coming after us. What if we were to tie a bell on a string and tie the string around the cat's neck? Then, whenever she moved, the bell would ring, ding, 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 and we would have our warning. We could scamper to safety. What a great idea. Well done, youngster. I wish I'd thought of that idea. So simple. Why didn't we think of that idea? And then a very old mouse spoke up. My friends, said the old mouse, it is true that this young mouse's idea is a good one. If there were a bell that rang to warn us of the cat's coming, we could escape to safety. But the mouse who would tie that bell around the cat's neck would be endangering his own life. And so, said the old mouse, I ask you, who will bell the cat? For it is one thing to come up with a good idea. It is quite another to put that idea into action.